Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina and I'm getting ready to do my dining room table for Thanksgiving. I'm excited. The holidays are fastly approaching, so I'm gonna get my dining room all squared away for Thanksgiving so that way I can focus on other projects. So let's get started and let's have a good time with these neutral colors. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I do DIY projects, decoring, and a little bit of recipes here and there. We are getting into my dining room table. I am getting this out the way for Thanksgiving. And as you know, I list everything that I am going to be using. I am starting off with my DIY project, which I decided to do my own chargers and coasters this year. So I'm excited about that. My theme is very neutral. I wanted to do more greenery, more neutral flowers, more creams, some golds, some bronze rose golds, those type of neutral brown family colors. So let's get started with this resin. If you are doing the project with me, please use gloves when you are doing the resin. I did not use gloves when I was putting the metallic powder on. If you do that like I did, it's okay. It washes right off with soap and water like water paint, but do not use gloves when you're using resin. So use your resin, guys, and let's get started and let's have a good time. Going to do a table for 6, so I'm going to be doing 6 of each, and this project takes 24 hours. So if you're doing your dining room table, please give yourself at least 2 days, not for the decor part but for the resin part of designing your chargers and your coasters. When you put a small coating at the bottom so you can start laying down your material that you're using, make sure you gently move things around. You don't want to create bubbles. And then if you find when you pour the rest of the resin on top, there's something that you still need to move. Again, very, very gentle, and you want to do it fast because once you already put the rest of the resin, you don't want to keep poking in there and touching things. So keep that in mind when you're doing this. that I'm using on the table, I will link below where I purchased them from. I pretty much did AtHome, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and HomeGoods. So I'll make sure to include that at the bottom. 24 hours has passed, and now my chargers and my coasters are ready, and I am in love with them. I love how the colors came out. I love how they have like the little marble effects from the metallic powder. It's exactly what I wanted to give this neutral look a pop of color. I will be placing the napkins down, but I will not be putting my utensils down, only because I only sit those out the day of, right in the morning. So I don't want them sitting out this whole time before Thanksgiving. So yeah, that's kind of my thing that I do. And there you have it, guys. That's my dining room table for Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoy how it looks, and I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving dining room table as well. I will see you on the next video. Bye.